So the aim of this video is to help you guys from someone you trust, I hope, to give you my personal opinion based on my experience about both of those tools. So frankly speaking, I already had some experience with crimping, and the bottom line, when this tool arrived 2 days ago, I inspected it and the material is super. The build is very firm and feels very tight and high quality. The springs are working again very tight, precisely. I made some tests with the gauge, and so indeed the go goes and the no go doesn't go. Made some crimps, which I successfully did very successful and precise crimps, and I was very much convinced that I made the right choice this time, and less expensive tool does exactly what it should. However, since my brother-in-law is working in a defense company and we are sharing the weekend together, I asked him if he kindly can bring this tool along for the weekend so we can make a more thorough comparison. And after inspecting it for some time now, it feels absolutely identical. The crimps comes out exactly the same. The springs feel the same in every aspect. I couldn't find anything that feels cheap or less. This is actually the original one, which I'm having trouble punching the spring down. So and the gauge works exactly the same in both of them. So my conclusion is, go for this one. There is no justification for paying for the more expensive one. And if you have any question regarding, feel free to contact me or email me through the Advanced Air Force forum. I'll be happy to answer every question.